lower than 93.25, or is 93.25 lower than 93.55? 93.25 is lower than 93.55. So this becomes our stop loss. Got it? Now the question is, why do you put a stop loss so huge? The reason is the daily movement for most currency pairs is between 50 to 100 pips in a day. Now, if let's say you put a stop loss of 10 pips, let's say, what will happen is the currency will come down, touch your stop loss, close your position, and after it closes the position, it will turn and go all the way up. Maybe? And this has happened many times. Yeah? So what you do is you give the currency room to move. Now giving room to move doesn't mean you are willing to take that loss of 100 pips. Does that make sense? So here's what we do. Remember, this chart is a 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart means the currency is going up every 5 minutes. So let's say we enter over here. As long as the parabolic is below, there's nothing to worry. Are you with me? Because parabolic below means the currency is going where? But let's say after you enter, the parabolic switches and goes up. What will you do? You should exit your position. Are you with me? Got it? Because parabolic is used for what? Entry and exit. Parabolic below, enter. Parabolic above, exit. Got it? So if the parabolic switches, it tells you the currency has already changed its trend. Are you with me? Yeah? So let's say you enter into this trade. Okay? At this point, all the conditions are met. We buy. Now, this is a 5-minute time frame. So when you are doing 5-minute time frame, when you do a minute time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, it's best to be near your computer. Are you with me? So the next bar happens after 5 minutes, happens after 5 minutes, after 5 minutes. Now what you need to check is in this time, while you are waiting to see your profits, you got to check the parabolic. So the next bar, parabolic is below, nothing to worry. Parabolic below, nothing to worry. Parabolic below, nothing to worry. So all throughout, nothing to worry. Why? Because parabolic is below. But then the currency has touched the upper band. If the currency touches the upper band, we are supposed to what? Exit. Are you with me? So even though the parabolic is below, you will still exit. Why? Because the exit criteria is very clear. Exit when it reaches the upper Bollinger. Got it, everybody? Okay. Now, in this trade, we are making about 50 pips, which is 94.25 entry, 94.75 exit. It's about 50 pips. And how long did it take? So let's count. Let's do this together. Come on, 5, 10, 15, louder, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100 minutes. That's about 1 hour and 1 hour 30 minutes. 40 minutes, sorry. Yeah? So 1 hour 40 minutes, you make about 50 pips on a standard contract is $500. Are you with me? So is that good money for 1 hour 40 minutes? Not bad at all. Are you with me? Yeah? Now, let's take one more example. If you look at this chart, here, once again, if you look at the currency, Is it close to the lower band? Yes. Is the next candle a white candle? Is this candle less than or equal to the previous one? Yes. Has the parabolic gone below? Is the stochastics at the bottom and starting to go up? Bottom means 20. Okay. Then on the third candle, the first, second, third, are you with me? On the third candle you buy. Then when do you exit? When it goes up, touches the upper band, that's when you exit at 2.4070. So you enter at this level, you exit at this level. Now what chart is this? Daily. That means every one candle is after 1 day. So once you enter, there's no point sitting in front of the computer, because the next candle will only come next day. Got it? So let's say today is day 1. Now I want you to pay attention to this. This is very important. Let's say this is Monday. Next day you wake up. Is the parabolic below? Yes, nothing to worry. Ivy? That's Tuesday. Wednesday you wake up, parabolic below? Nothing to worry. And then it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Parabolic below? Nothing to worry? Weekend. Forgot. So what will you do? Close. Very good. Then wake up Monday. Is parabolic still below? What will you do? You can enter again. Got it? So again is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday it touches upper band. What do you do? You anyway have to close because it's the weekend and it has also touched the upper band. Does that make sense? Got it? Now the only thing is, when you entered over here at 2.3750, what will be your stop loss? 100 pips below, correct? So 2.3650, correct? But when you enter here at this level, you are entering at 2.4070. So your stop loss has to be 100 pips below this. Are you with me? You can't use the last stop loss, because your last stop loss is based on entry price of 2.3750. Are you with me? But now when you buy at 2.3750, your stop loss is 2.3650. But when you buy on 2.4070, your stop loss will be 2.3970. Are you with me? You can't use this same stop loss. Got it? So whatever is your entry price, 100 pips below that will be your stop loss. Clear? Okay, now the question is, how much profit did we make? So we entered at 2.3750, we exited at 2.4070. So if you subtract, what do you get? 253, 320, isn't it? Correct? So we make 320 pips. If you look as a standard contract, that's $3,200, right? Now the question is, how many days did it take? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 10 days you made about $3,200. Is that good money? Hello? Yes. Okay. So we looked at the buying side. Now let's look at the selling side. For selling, you look for the currency pair to hit or come very close to hitting the upper Bollinger.